Hi, welcome back to NotaCoolMom.com. Today we're at the farmer's market. Going to the farmer's market is a great way to spend time with the kids, and it's also a great way to ensure that you're eating local. By eating local, you're supporting not only your farmers, but also your local economy. Come check it out. When you come to the farmer's market, you want to come prepared. Bring shopping bags and bring smaller bags for produce. I like to use the inside bags from cereal boxes.
Yeah, I sure do.
It's black, it's not. What are you getting on your hand, honey? Thanks for coming to the farmer's market with us. To find recipes for fruits and vegetables you can buy at the farmer's market, check out NotaCoolMom.com.